How to play Standoff 2 on PC. So if you want to play Standoff 2 on PC, then first you just need to check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. So I'll be here with my Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search and search for BlueStacks. Once you've searched for BlueStacks, go for the first, which is www.bluestacks.com. And if you have not installed this yet, then you just need to simply go for download or install, and you need to download this application. Once you've downloaded, then you will have this kind of interface. You just need to download and open up the application. Once you've opened, you will have your Play Store on your PC. So what you need to do is you open up your BlueStacks, and then you will have the search, and simply go for the search and search for the application or the game that you would like to download. So simply search for the game. Once you've searched here, you will have the game, right? So what you need to do is simply go for the option, or you can simply go for search in Google Play. And once you've searched here, you will have the application or the game. So what you need to do is simply go for install, which is here on the right side. And once you click on install, the game will be installed on your PC or your laptop, and you can play that game. So that's how you can play Standoff 2 on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.